What's the deal, YouTube? It's your man's V Truth, and I'm about to show y'all how to fix Baby Audio's plug-in scaling problem with Pro Tools on Windows 11. And it's only a 2-minute tutorial, so we getting straight to it. So you see how I'm loading Pro Tools here, and it's this tiny little square, you barely can see it. That's the problem that we're facing here. I'm gonna go ahead and load this project, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like with Baby Audio when you're having a scaling issue. All right, so here we are in Pro Tools. This is Pro Tools 2022.12, the intro. See that? That's what it looked like. The screen's cut off, can't see the plug-in, right? So I'm gonna just close that out. Now, right click on Pro Tools, select Show More Options, select Properties. Okay, click on the Compatibility tab, change High DPI settings, override High DPI, and choose System. Press OK. It's that simple, y'all. No cap. No cap. It's that simple. For real, though. See, look at Pro Tools. It's load normal. All right, see that? Big, full. It's the workaround that worked for me. And once I do that on any program on Windows that use audio plugins, I don't have a scaling problem. So when you look at, see that? Parallel Grasser, now you can see it. Bow. The Comeback Kid, now you can see it. Bow. You know what I'm saying? We couldn't see it before. That's it. Peace.